Cricut alternatives. You wanted them, we got them right here at 3D Musketeers. There has been so much drama in the maker community over Cricut. I feel like Keemstar should be here talking about it, but instead, you've got me, Grant, at 3D Musketeers. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and give us a like while you're down there. We love it when you like it. It helps our channel grow to give you more content just like this. We have awesome offerings from Brother Silhouette and a couple of other more budget-minded companies out there for Cricut alternatives. Let's start out with Brother, their SDX 85 and 125, both 12 by 12 inch cutters with the option to go to 24 inch as well. They both have very similar accessories, and the big differences between them is their screen size. You go from a 3.47 to a 5 inch LCD touch, as well as over double the amount of built-in drawings and cutting designs for the SDX 125. And they have a really cool feature called Scan and Cut, which is where you can built-in scan something and then cut it out. Absolutely cool feature from Brother. Really one of the big reasons to buy their machines. The Brothers are $349 and $399 respectively. Let's move over to Silhouette. Silhouette has so many choices. We've got the Cameo 4, even though there's only 3 options, the 12, the 15, and for all you size queens, the 24 inch at $300, $400, and $500 US. But I would think on the Cameo 4 from Silhouette, if you can afford it, go with the big one. There is absolutely no reason to not get the biggest cutter that your wallet can afford, because it opens up many more opportunities for you as a maker. But if you're a little more budget-minded, they've got the Portrait 3, which is 8 inch width, and at only $200 US. And if you're curious, they've got the Curio, which is 8.5 inches, but can have a pen plotter, a stippling tool, an engraving tool. Lots of options on that Curio at $250 US. Quite frankly, if you're looking at the Portrait, I would go with the Curio personally, because you get so much more for 50 bucks more. Kind of an odd offering from Silhouette as well. They have their Alta 3D printer, which has a volume of 124 by 124 by 130 for all you Yanks. That is 5 by 5 by a little bit more than 5 for $350. Go buy a Prusa Mini. Don't even waste your time with that. Then you've got the Mint, which is their stamp machine at a 45 by 60 millimeter square. So not all that big, actually a rectangle, not a square, but hey, who's counting? But at $130 might be a really cool offering. Looking at the two softwares, Brothers is cloud-based, so you gotta be aware of that, but it is free, and they make it very clear that it is free. Silhouette has the freemium atmosphere where you get a very basic design software, and then you can add upgrades throughout the process. And the cool thing is, if you go to tier 2, and then you need tier 3, it would cost you the exact same amount as if you went from tier 1 to tier 3. So there is no penalty for slowly going through the tiers through Silhouette. So I think that's really cool. If I had to choose between one of these two, Silhouette is going to get my money every single time. It just seems like they're truly going after the business market, whereas Brother said, well, hey, we've got the 2D printer and the thermal printer stuff on lock. Why don't we just do a vinyl cutter? Because that makes sense. Silhouette, this is like all they're doing. The 3D printing is honestly a secondary thing, and it's kind of clear by the stamp machine. But then there are these two companies on Amazon that are more of your budget friendly. You've got the US Cutter 14 inch for $280. Really cheap machine, great performance out of it, but its software is a little bit meh. If you want to go a little bit bigger, they've got the 34 inch, the big chungus, for $400. Again, the software, I don't know. If you're more of a maker and you like tinkering, the US Cutter or even something from Vevor, probably butchering that, but it really doesn't matter. Same kind of deal, $273, $405, roughly the same size machines. they look like more professional grade machines to me, but I can promise you at those price points, they aren't going to hold up for snap. They are going to break so quickly, but you will likely end up getting your full value out of them. But the amount of time it's going to take you to learn them might overcome that of just spending the extra money and going with maybe a Cameo 4 24-inch from Silhouette. Take a look at those softwares yourself before you buy these machines and understand that you are likely going to have some trouble working it if you are used to the Cricut atmosphere. If you are not a tinkerer, do not buy a US Cutter, Vevor, or one of the other kind of weird ones on Amazon. Stick with Brother, stick with Silhouette, stay safe. If you want to mess around, get a second cutter. Do not have one cutter for your business. We're going to talk all about pricing your business here shortly on the 3D Musketeers YouTube channel. Don't forget to get subscribed. We love it when you comment as well. I would love to talk with you in the comments because, oh yeah, Grant's the one that's responding to all those comments. Let's have some fun in those comments, everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let us know what you want to see next in the comments down below. My name's Grant. This is 3D Musketeers. Don't forget to call your loved ones. Keep making awesome. Have a good one.